Oh, perfect. We got a former US with Innovation Premier. This thing is Scenic and it smells like... Ugh. Window is cooked. I'm guessing this was a SoftTouch. It got modernized with innovation. That permit has seen better days. Oh,
Nice drop. And that permit's not having a good time.
not at all. Looks like the COP is burnt. Just in general. Let's take it to 4. Look at the window again.
Look at this shaft.
Oh. Oh, now that's a cool view.
All the artwork on the side.
US doors. This is the only one here. Alright, send on 1. And we'll look at the window going down too. Some weird black stuff all over the buttons. It's the inspection key switch. Got some goodies left behind. There's actually a nicer permit over here.
I didn't notice.
Okay. And there it goes. Stinky elevator.